As the US and NATO are at the verge of totally withdrawing from Afghanistan after a 20-year occupation following 9/11, Taliban are making sweeping advances and claim to be in control of 85% of the territory. After the peace talks in Doha, it was universally believed that Taliban and Afghan government had agreed a political roadmap for the country. But after months of deadlock, it seems that Taliban are all set to capture Kabul by means of firepower. It is now known that the US NATO-trained Afghan Security Forces cannot fight the battle-hardened Taliban sans Allied forces' air support. It is important to point out that 1,000 Afghan soldiers fled to Tajikistan carrying their wounded comrades when the Taliban captured Shir Khan Bandar at the end of June. Meanwhile, Wall Street Journal has reported that US is planning to reduce personnel at the Kabul Embassy. In this background, it is indeed alarming to note that people carrying Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan flags chanted slogans in support of Afghan Taliban in Peshawar during a funeral. DG ISPR Major General Babar Iftikhar, commenting on the state of affairs, has stated almost 90% of the fencing on the Pak-Afghan border has been completed. Pakistan would not allow unwanted people to enter. He said the spillover effect after civil war in Afghanistan might fall on Pakistan, but Pakistan had taken measures to cope the situation.